All the way, all the way, all the way. Tap it.
Watch this.
Swallow it. No.
Don't do it.
No, you can't. Yeah.
Swallow it. Damn. Let's go. Damn.
Go in the grass. Hurry up. Give him some water. Brandon, get some water. Corey?
Hurry, hurry. Give me water, dude. Oh. Told you.
Look at the backwash in the water.
Holy shit.
Look at you get out of there. Go.
Boozer.
To be fair, he did do like double of what I did, but still. He went around and he's on the other side of the fence.
Come on, you're all right.
He was dying.
Benji, you're gonna need a drink. No. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Don't drink that water.
That's backwash.
Yeah, don't drink that water.